Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're going to be making pineapple seafood bowls. So we're going to start by seasoning our seafood. We're going to make sure it's fresh and clean beforehand. So we're going to use some garlic powder. We're going to also use some fresh black pepper. Of course, I have to add some onion powder to that. Add our fresh sea salt. And last but not least, add some chili flakes for a little kick. And it is optional, so if you don't like a little spice to your dish, you can opt for it out. Move that to the side. We're going to go ahead and season our butter up a little bit. We're going to take some chopped parsley, add that to our butter. Now we are using salted butter to give it a little bit more flavor. We're going to add our fresh minced garlic. And look at that. Now we're going to add our butter mix once we melt it to our seafood. My mouth is watering already. Now we're going to bake at 400 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Look at that, so amazing, lovely. Now you're going to go ahead and cut your pineapples and add your seasoned Caribbean rice. I just use the Zatarains Caribbean rice. I will list it down below. Go ahead and add your seafood to it. Add whatever sauces you want and voila. Enjoy.